So to evaluate these two down here, which I'm going to circle in pink, this is a base of e. Okay, so we see e to the power of 1.8 and e to the power of negative 0.72. All right, now what e is just a number. All right, it's approximately 2.718, and we call this the natural base, but I'm just going to call it e. And you have a button for it on your calculator. So if you look over here in the pink, here is e to the power of x. Now, every one of these buttons on this calculator, not everyone, most of these buttons on the calculator do two different things. They do the thing that you see on top of the button, like x squared, but they also do the thing above the button. And on my calculator, it's a light blue. So if you want to get the square root on top of the button, what you need to do is you need to use this key right here, the second key. All right, and that's going to say, instead of doing what's on the face of that button, it's going to do the thing above the button. So to get the e, we will have to hit second ln. All right, so let's do it. We need e to the power of 1.8. So I'm going to press second ln, and this is what it gives me. It gives me e to the power of open parentheses. In the open parentheses, I'm going to type 1.8. All right, I'm going to close the parentheses, but I think you can do it without closing the parentheses. So I'm typing 1.8, and then I'm going to use this button here to close the parentheses, and then I'm going to hit equals. All right, and I get 6.049647464. So I get 6.049647464. I need to round to 3 decimal places, so I'm looking right here, 1, 2, 3. I'm looking at the 9. I look to the right because it's 5 or greater. That 9 needs to go up. So 1 higher than 9 is 10, which will turn this 49 into a 50. So 6.050. That's going to be the answer here. All right, and let's take a look at e to the power of a negative number. So let me clear out the pink on the calculator, and let's do it. E to the power of negative 0.72. So to engage the e, I need to hit second. So I'm going to hit second ln, and on my calculator that gives me e to the power of, all right, now very important, when I type in negative 0.72, I need to use this button down here as the negative. Okay, don't use the minus button. E to the power of negative 0.72, and then I'll close my parentheses. So negative 0.72, close your parentheses, equals. All right, and I get a very long decimal of 0.486752256. All right, I need to round to the 3rd decimal place. So 1, 2, 3. I look at my 6. I look to the right. 5 or more, raise the score. That 6 needs to go up to a 7. So we have 0.487.